Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the seeds I am selling and growing. These are not everything, I grow them in batches at different times. Some people have problem germinating the seeds because the soil is either too hot or too cold. In my previous video you can find the method that I'm using here. And here is my baby dragon fruit. Alright, so here is the first batch I will show you. I'm just going to pick some up. This is the dwarf Greek basil. And I'm opening it and I want to show you the roots. These are long and healthy. Basil grows so fast and like crazy. They have one of the best germinations. And next up, we have lemon balm. That is a lot of it. The seeds are very tiny. And sometimes the ants steal them. So when you start germinating small seeds, make sure you start indoor. Here we have cylindra beet. And it has gorgeous red roots. And after this, I will transplant them into pots. Catnip. They're tiny, and later on I will show you when it gets bigger. This is the white alyssum flower, perfect for attracting bees. As you can see, the seeds are very tiny. Giant Sicilian radish. They are huge. They also look like the cucumbers. Tender sweet carrot. Here are the roots, you can still see the seed. Ornamental cabbage. The roots are very long. The plant looks so small, but the roots are huge. And the Tulsi basil. I love this for tea. They also grow very nicely. Wild bergamot. There you go. They're tiny. Lettuce mix. These are different kinds of lettuce, and later on I will put them each in its own pot. Corsican basil. Very easy to grow, but still you have to make sure that you follow my planting instruction. Okay, next up we have clove scented basil. This basil is very flavorful. Oregano. The seeds are super tiny. You have to be very careful with the plant. Sage. Also, I do not use heating mats, and I will tell you later why. Black Spanish radish. I don't use heating mats because they only heat the bottom of the plant and it will cause the soil to rot. Calendula flower. It took me multiple attempts trying different methods to grow and germinate, and this was the perfect. Everything grows this way. Baby's breath. These are also very tiny and grow like crazy, but you have to make sure to not put your seed near the window because the temperature is lower and they might get cold and die. Peppermint. Mint must never be covered with soil, and cover the container with a plastic bag to keep the seeds moist and warm. Same with peppers. And here's spearmint. I did not grow a lot of it because I don't need too much. I have another batch growing already. And there is some dill on the side. Tropana lunga onion. These are the onions. They're Italian. Little finger carrot. These grow like crazy. There's so many of them. This is a dill. And here's a Vala Vala onion. This is one of my most popular onions. It's very tasty too. And chervil. Amazing herb. St. Valery carrot. Carrots grow like crazy. So if you like carrots, this is definitely something you should try. Tuscany melon. They are delicious and super sweet. And look at those gigantic roots. Wow. Again, read my planting instruction and follow it, and you will have perfect germination. Early Wonder Beet. Now that is a gorgeous root. This is what you want it to look like. Casper eggplant. This is a white eggplant. This is something you will never find in a grocery store. I am so excited to cook with this. It's so interesting and it's very impressive to show someone that you have white eggplants. And this is my catnip plant that I told you earlier. It's attracting my neighborhood's cats. My seeds are fresh, healthy, and they will germinate as long as you follow my specific planting instruction. Happy planting!